Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you, on your request, I'm so excited to share my recipe chicken sandwich. You can call this chicken rounder, you can call it restaurant style chicken sandwich. I leave this up to you. The ingredients are like a lot, but this is not difficult to make. Just don't get panicked to see all of this ingredient right here on my table. In this plate, I have all-purpose flour, paprika powder, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, salt and pepper. Now this is for coating. So if you don't want to add chili powder, if you're making this for kids, just avoid the chili powder. So first thing I'm gonna do, just to finish one job, mix all of this very well. Okay, so that looks good. Now we're gonna just set this on a side. Now let's do the butter. And the butter, I have cornstarch, all-purpose flour, which is just plain flour, salt, pepper, baking powder, chili powder again, Dijon mustard, tomato ketchup, chili sauce. Now the chili sauce is not going to do any big difference in the spice. You can just, if you want to leave it, again you can leave it, but even if you add it, it's gonna give the chicken a nice texture, nice taste. So you can just avoid the chili powder, but just do not ignore the chili sauce. And then I have whole milk. So all of this is going to be mixed. I'm gonna add the milk just slowly. Don't add all of them at once. And then it's better to use a hand mixer, so you're not gonna get any lumps as well when you're mixing. And then I will show you the consistency. Okay, so that is done. Now let me show you guys the consistency. This is the thickness that you're looking for. I'm gonna put all the exact measurement in the comment section down below so you guys can follow the instruction. Now this is going to go on a side. Now I'm gonna bring my chicken, and now for the chicken marination, I have about 2 pounds of boneless chicken breast. What I did is one is sliced, one piece I cut into, depending how thick is your chicken breast. Mine was not too big, so I just sliced them into two. If yours is way too big, then you're gonna cut them into half and then you slice the other half, so one can be into 4 pieces. To this is ginger garlic paste. This is only 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Now first thing, let me add the salt and pepper because I'm just gonna marinate this by hand. Salt to taste, pepper about 1 teaspoon. Now I'm gonna add my ginger and garlic paste. Tomato ketchup again. Chili sauce. I already washed my hand. I'm just gonna use my hand and then just marinate the chicken very well. At this point, you're gonna turn the heat on and start heating the oil. We need about probably 2 cups of oil for frying. Now I want to show you the thickness of the chicken, which is not too thick and it's not too thin as well. If it's too thick, it's gonna take a long time to cook. So let's do this. Now you're gonna dip the chicken one at a time into the butter. Now this is really gonna be a messy job, but at the end of the result, you're gonna get a really homemade chicken sandwich. And after that, try to let the excess stays on the bowl, and then to the dry flour, which has seasoning in it. Now you can just fry this just as is, but if you want extra thickness on the skin. There's no skin in the chicken, but as you fry, you will see the crispier. So the more crispier you want, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna come back to the butter and then dip the chicken again to the butter and then back to the flour. Make sure everywhere has coating, and then what you're gonna do is just set them on a plate and then just keep repeating the same thing, and then we're gonna go fry them. Oil is preheating over medium heat, and now I'm gonna start frying my chicken 2 at a time. This will take no more than 5 minutes because it's not too thick, and chicken breast cook really quickly. If you're gonna cook this overcook, it's gonna be rubbery and not too good. Too dry, it's not gonna be tender. So we want this to be tender. It's been 2 minutes. Let's try to turn this. Okay. Now we want this to cook a little bit more. We want this to be like a nice golden brown color, as well as cook inside. Okay guys, most of my chicken sandwich is ready, and you can see they are nicely golden brown in color. And I have my bread, I have some lettuce, some tomatoes sliced, and any type of mayonnaise you prefer. So first thing, what I'm gonna do is just build the sandwich the way you like it. This is the way I prefer. Put as much as you want the mayo, some lettuce, tomatoes, and then the chicken, and that's it. That's it. And here you have a nice homemade chicken burger that you don't have to go anywhere to get it. Just sit in the house and make it yourself. Get the full written recipe down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.